So this is the code for checking out a particular customer, Kiel, from Kiel, North Germany. And copy that code, that SQL code, into SQL Server Management Studio. So paste it here and F5 to run. So this particular customer 17190, has two line orders. This is the order here, line 1 and line 2. So I want to add one extra line and see how I can get that into Power BI on the internet, the service, powerbi.com. So I'll just do a new query, and I'll get the code for adding a new line here on that particular order. So that's the code there. Copy that back into SQL Server Management Studio, paste it there, and I'll run that, F5. One row affected. So now when I rerun the query here, I should be getting 3 lines. So I'll do F5. So now we have 3 lines, and line number 3 on this particular order, I'm just adding that.